Let's talk awareness. When you are aware, consciously aware of what is happening internally. So I want to talk about how to use your emotions for guidance to go inward and make a shift. When we have really good positive emotions, that's a great sign that is telling us we are in alignment. When we have negative emotions and that those feelings come up that don't feel so great, it's okay. We're human. It comes up, but it's also a sign to us. It's a sign that we are out of alignment. And here's how to use that to go inward. When we are feeling not so great around something that's happening in our life, we need to use that as a cue. Why am I feeling this way? What inner belief am I holding about myself that is triggering me to feel this way? What thoughts am I thinking that is triggering me to feel this way? So once we know and we have that awareness of, oh, there's an inner belief here that is triggering these emotions and these thoughts that are popping up in my mind. How can we change that? Go inward, switch the belief to what you want in a